Welcome to DIY by NZguy Father's Day special. Today I've got a special treat for you. We're going to be unboxing Ozito Power Exchange 18-volt lithium ion cordless 5-piece kit. I'll have a 13mm drill, 80 impact driver, grinder, circular saw, and detailed sander. A couple of batteries and a fast charger. Everything is per picture. We're just gonna quickly open it up, have a see what's what, and I'll get into the reason why I chose this package for the special day. So stay tuned. In the box you get manuals, circular saw, that's a drill, that's an impact driver, that's a detailed sander, this is the fast charger, 4 amp hour battery, 2.5 amp hour battery, and an angle grinder. We'll start with the angle grinder. Comes with one of the discs. Fantastic. Feels pretty beefy. Plate cover, extra handle, key. This is great. All the accessories we can put aside. We'll use them as we need. Some are sealed. Detailed. When I was buying this kit, I was worried, can a 4 amp hour battery fit into this one? So we're gonna find out. So 4 amp hour battery. Let's see, 72 watt hours. And let's see the magic happen. No, not this time. Okay, I think you need to remove this. Can you make it happen? Yay! So unfortunately, you can use a 4 amp hour battery, but you do need to remove the dust cover, eh? Let's turn it on. Oh, nice. Let's check out the charge. Alright, it definitely needs charging. Alright, next is the impact driver. I have never owned an impact driver. I heard good things about them. But yeah, definitely going to give this a test. Yeah, might as well try this. Let's have a look. No special buttons. Just my lack of experience, eh? Yeah. But I did figure out how to use this. Push that to the side and up. Turns out the problem was between the driver's seat and the steering wheel. This is the drill. It's a plastic chuck. I was hoping it would be metal. Definitely grunty. Oh, I even started to burn my glove. So plenty of grunt on there. And the last one is the circular saw. Alright, let's make some noise. Alright, 24 teeth, 165mm, so not a bad size. Okay, and listen to this. Ooh. Yeah, there's certainly some chinciness to certain things, but for 329 New Zealand rubles, not a bad deal. You get 5 tools, 4 of which I actually wanted to buy in a battery version, which is the sander, grinder, and circular saw, and an extra drill. Impact driver, never really used one because the torque on the drill drivers was always enough for me. This one is torque at 40 newtons a meter, which is decent, and this one caps out at 150 newtons a meter. So personally, I never really need it anymore, but it'll be interesting to see once I start doing bigger projects, bigger screws, bigger bolts, or I need to take off lots of bolts. We'll give this definitely a good go, make sure she suffers. Yeah, the best, well, the most important reason why I got this one is, yeah, is the 5-year tool replacement warranty plus a 3-year warranty on the batteries. So which means that I can keep doing the projects without too much worry that something is going to give up and then I have to go buy a new one. I'll just click into that warranty and we'll get this done. So thanks for watching. Welcome back, comrades. Just gonna give you a good reason why I chose to purchase the Ozito Cordless Power Exchange brand versus the tools that I already had. When I was assembling this table, got some old plywood board, was cutting that up, cutting up some wood. Underneath was screwing things together using a grinder to cut up some longer screws. Cutting out extra holes so that it sits a bit more flush. So yeah, I was using a drill to drill a lot of holes. I was using the multi-tool to make these little indentations. Obviously a grinder to grind away those extra long screws. Circular saw to cut everything. This one in particular was burning the wood will keep going offline, and bang, just get stuck. Have to burn through the wood just to finish the cut. Trying to finish it off. This one not that good, the paper keeps coming off. It was real hard to have everything plugged in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, have to keep jumping over. The leads would tangle up, jumping over them, tripping over, because once you use it a little bit, you put it aside. You don't want to unplug it, fold it away. You want to keep it plugged in so it's easier to access it. So having all these 5 tools plugged in somewhere and having them running across along the ground where you can trip on them was really causing me a headache and an issue. So the best answer is going cordless. The thing is, for a DIY like me, I only use this just a bit. So I actually trimmed 6 screws with this, plus just quick tidy up on these holes. That's it. A battery powered one would have plenty of go to get that job done. Same thing with the sander. Just tidy up the edges, sand it down. Same thing with circular saw. Just couple of meter cuts and you're good. Drill, same thing. Only a dozen holes for the screws and you're all done. This one, multi-tool, great tool. This one, by the way, is a 300 watt one, which is very good for its size. But it's overkill just to do 2 of these indentations. So I figured, what if I had a tool that fit for purpose, enough battery just to get the job done. No cords, no jumping around, no issues. Just use it, put it aside. Use it, put it aside. Need it again, take it from the side, use it again. Yes, I only have 2 batteries at the moment, but that's the beauty of this Father's Day gift. I can have another Father's Day. I can upgrade the batteries, have more of them, have more tools that I need and that I'm going to use. So yeah, from a general project like this is my plan. You have the tools that you're going to use, you have the availability, and you're actually going to use them. So I reckon you buy what you need. So thanks for this Father's Day special, and there's a bit of a rant. These tools are great if you've got a lot of cutting to do. Yes, for goodness sake, go for a corded one to finish those cuts. Have lots of plywood to cut, go for the corded one. Have lots of holes to drill, go for the corded one. Need to sand the whole deck, go for the corded one. But like me, doing small jobs, it just works better with the little ones. So thanks for watching. Have a great Father's Day. This has been DIY by NZ Guy.